1. 1931 Ford Vicki. Price, $14,000, located in Janesville, Wisconsin. This 1931 Ford Vicki is a classic hot rod that combines vintage Ford styling with a thoughtfully upgraded drivetrain and chassis. Featuring a solid two-door sedan body, this custom build was designed for enthusiasts who appreciate old-school looks backed by dependable performance components. The black exterior gives the car a timeless appearance, while the rust-free body provides a strong foundation for years of enjoyment. Under the hood sits a 1958 Chevrolet 283 engine equipped with a desirable 3-deuce carburetor setup, delivering both character and performance. Power is transferred through a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a reliable and easy driving combination. A heavy-duty frame supports the vehicle, while a Camaro Posey rear end helps put power to the pavement. The front suspension has been upgraded with a brand new speedway setup that includes modern disc brakes for improved stopping capability and driving confidence. A completely new wiring harness has also been installed, helping ensure dependable operation throughout the vehicle. With approximately 1,000 miles reported, one owner history, and numerous mechanical upgrades already completed, this 1931 Ford Vicki offers a unique opportunity to own a traditional American hot rod that is ready to attract attention at cruise nights, car shows, and weekend events. 2. 1923 Ford T-Big Tub. Price, $13,900, located in Marshfield, Wisconsin. This 1923 Ford T-Big Tub is a unique hot rod that delivers classic T-bucket character with added practicality and versatility. Titled as a Wisconsin hobbyist 1923 Ford, this custom-built machine is powered by a small block Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a dependable PowerGlide automatic transmission. An early 1960s Chevrolet rear differential helps complete a drivetrain package designed for simple and enjoyable cruising. The bright yellow exterior gives this big tub a bold presence, while the black interior maintains the traditional hot rod look. Modern front disc brakes with Monte Carlo calipers provide improved stopping performance, complemented by Chevrolet rear brakes. The vehicle features dual fuel tanks, functioning headlights, brake lights, tail lights, and turn signals. Unlike many traditional T-buckets, this build includes a usable rear seating and storage area. A small bench seat is included, making room for additional passengers when desired. Extra parts accompany the car, allowing the next owner to continue customizing it as a traditional hot rod or transform it into a period-inspired fad T. This is a straightforward and enjoyable hot rod that offers plenty of personality and room for future creativity. 3. 1930 Plymouth Rat Rod Coupe. Price, $14,000, located in Taylorville, Illinois. This 1930 Plymouth Rat Rod Coupe delivers aggressive styling and serious performance in a compact 3-window package. Finished in a striking orange exterior, this custom-built rat rod stands out with its rugged attitude and purposeful stance. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic Mopar-inspired power, the car combines vintage looks with modernized mechanical components. Power comes from a desirable 276 DeSoto Hemi engine paired with a turbo 400 Chevrolet automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 8.8 rear axle featuring 3.73 gearing and positive traction, helping transfer power efficiently to the pavement. Rack and pinion steering improves handling response, while four-wheel disc brakes provide enhanced stopping capability. Adjustable coilover suspension at all four corners allows ride and handling characteristics to be tuned for different driving conditions. The tires are reported to be in excellent condition, further contributing to roadworthiness and performance. With its rust-free body, classic coupe styling, and powerful Hemi engine combination, this 1930 Plymouth Rat Rod Coupe offers an exciting blend of vintage appearance and modern driving enjoyment for hot rod enthusiasts. 4. 1936 Chevrolet Custom Pickup. Price, $25,000, located in Granger, Iowa. This 1936 Chevrolet Custom Pickup is a heavily modified street machine that combines classic truck styling with impressive V8 performance. The truck has undergone extensive customization, creating a unique build that stands apart from ordinary vintage pickups. Retaining the timeless appearance of a pre-war Chevrolet while benefiting from numerous upgrades, it offers both visual appeal and strong road presence. At the heart of the build is a powerful 383 Vortec engine producing approximately 410 horsepower. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a TCI 3200 stall converter, providing strong acceleration and responsive performance. Power is delivered through a durable Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 3.55 gearing. The custom work performed throughout the truck reflects significant attention to detail and a focus on drivability. Whether cruising local streets, attending car shows, or simply enjoying weekend drives, this pickup offers the performance and character many enthusiasts seek. With its combination of classic Chevrolet heritage, modern hot rod engineering, and powerful drivetrain components, this 1936 Chevrolet custom pickup represents a compelling opportunity for collectors and custom truck fans alike. 5. 1927 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $16,500, located in Springville, Iowa. This 1927 Ford T-Bucket captures the spirit of traditional American hot rodding with its lightweight construction, open-air driving experience, and unmistakable vintage style. Finished in black, this custom-built roadster embraces the minimalist approach that has made T-Buckets a favorite among enthusiasts for decades. With approximately 5,000 miles reported, the vehicle has seen limited use and remains an attractive option for those seeking a simple yet exciting hot rod. The automatic transmission provides easy operation, making the car enjoyable for both experienced builders and first-time hot rod owners. Its compact dimensions and classic proportions create a distinctive appearance that attracts attention wherever it goes. The T-Bucket design is known for delivering a direct connection between driver and machine, offering an authentic cruising experience that modern vehicles cannot replicate. Whether displayed at local shows, driven on sunny weekends, or used as part of a growing collection, this 1927 Ford T-Bucket offers timeless appeal. Its traditional styling, custom hot rod heritage, and straightforward design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy the classic American hot rod lifestyle. 6. 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod. Price, $17,000, located in Barneveld, Wisconsin. This 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod blends iconic Ford styling with proven Chevrolet performance components, creating a dependable and enjoyable custom cruiser. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the vehicle presents a clean and aggressive appearance while maintaining the timeless character of a classic Model A body. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine sourced from a Corvette and paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The build also incorporates a Corvette rear end, providing a complete performance-oriented drivetrain package. These upgrades contribute to improved reliability, stronger performance, and a more comfortable driving experience compared to many traditional vintage vehicles. According to the seller, extensive work has been completed throughout the car, resulting in a hot rod that runs and drives exceptionally well. With approximately 1,234 miles reported and a paid-off status, the vehicle offers an appealing combination of classic styling and modernized mechanicals. Ideal for cruise nights, local shows, and weekend drives, this 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod provides the look enthusiasts love while delivering the convenience and performance of a proven V8-powered street rod. 7. 1936 Plymouth two-door coupe. Price, $15,000, located in Harris, Minnesota. This 1936 Plymouth two-door coupe is an exciting near-finished hot rod project that offers a tremendous amount of completed work and performance potential. The vehicle features stunning House of Color Oriental blue candy paint, giving the coupe a vibrant appearance that immediately attracts attention. Built with performance in mind, the car is equipped with strange engineering suspension components and a quick-change rear end. Under the hood sits a freshly built Chevrolet 400 small-block racing engine that has not yet been started, providing the next owner with an opportunity to complete and enjoy a powerful custom machine. Numerous new components have already been installed, including fuel cells, racing seats, carpeting, and a shifter. In addition to the parts already fitted to the vehicle, a large collection of additional components is included with the sale, helping simplify the remaining work required to finish the project. For enthusiasts looking to own a distinctive custom coupe without starting from scratch, this Plymouth presents an excellent opportunity. Much of the difficult fabrication and assembly work has already been completed, leaving the next owner with a solid foundation to bring this impressive hot rod to completion. 8. 1927 Ford Model T. Price, $10,000, located in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. This 1927 Ford Model T Hot Rod delivers classic American street rod style combined with big block Chevrolet power. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a black interior, this custom-built machine offers a timeless appearance while providing the performance expected from a serious hot rod. Its compact dimensions and traditional design make it an attention-grabbing vehicle wherever it goes. Power comes from a formidable Chevrolet 454 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination is well known among hot rod enthusiasts for delivering strong acceleration, excellent reliability, and abundant torque. According to the seller, the vehicle runs great and offers plenty of power for cruising or weekend enjoyment. The car has approximately 1,234 miles reported and is listed as paid off, making it an appealing option for buyers seeking a ready-to-enjoy hot rod. Whether attending local cruise nights, participating in car shows, or simply enjoying open-road driving, this 1927 Ford Model T combines classic styling with modern V8 performance. It represents an affordable entry into the world of vintage hot rods while still offering impressive presence and excitement behind the wheel. 9. 1932 Austin Bantam. Price, $25,000, located in Ridgeway, Illinois. This 1932 Austin Bantam Hot Rod is a distinctive custom build that stands apart from traditional street rods and classic coupes. Known for its compact size and unique styling, the Austin Bantam has long been a favorite platform among hot rod builders seeking something different from the typical Ford or Chevrolet project. This example showcases that individuality while maintaining the timeless appeal of a professionally built custom vehicle. Finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior, the car presents a bold appearance that is sure to attract attention at any automotive gathering. The proportions of the Bantam body create an aggressive stance that perfectly complements its hot rod personality. With approximately 692 miles reported, the vehicle has seen limited use and remains an exciting option for enthusiasts looking for a standout cruiser. The automatic transmission provides comfortable operation and easy drivability, making the car suitable for both local events and weekend road trips. Combining rarity, custom craftsmanship, and classic hot rod character, this 1932 Austin Bantam offers collectors and enthusiasts an opportunity to own a vehicle that is both memorable and highly distinctive within the street rod community. 10. 1934 Studebaker Hot Rod. Price, $18,500, located in Decatur, Illinois. This 1934 Studebaker Hot Rod is an aggressive custom machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate big block power and unmistakable street presence. Often described as a true attention-getter, this unique build combines classic pre-war styling with modern performance upgrades to create a vehicle that is equally comfortable cruising highways or turning heads at local car shows. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 454 big block V8 featuring a 4-bolt main block and electronic fuel injection from Fitech. The engine is topped with a dramatic dual-quad tunnel ram setup, delivering both impressive visual impact and serious performance potential. Power is routed through a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a 3,500 stall converter. The seller reports that nearly everything on the vehicle is new, with fewer than 1,000 miles since completion. Designed to provide strong acceleration while maintaining highway cruising capability, this Studebaker offers versatility rarely found in radical custom builds. For buyers seeking a one-of-a-kind hot rod that combines vintage styling, modern upgrades, and proven big block performance, this 1934 Studebaker represents an exciting opportunity ready to be enjoyed immediately. 11. 1931 Ford Coupe Hot Rod. Price, $29,500, located in Fall Creek, Wisconsin. This 1931 Ford Coupe Hot Rod is a professionally built custom street machine that combines classic Ford styling with supercharged V8 performance. Designed to command attention wherever it appears, this coupe features a carefully assembled drivetrain and numerous upgrades that make it a standout among traditional hot rods. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383-stroker engine topped with a 671 supercharger and dual 4-barrel carburetors. This combination delivers impressive horsepower while creating the unmistakable appearance and sound that hot rod enthusiasts admire. A 3-speed automatic transmission provides smooth and dependable operation, making the car enjoyable for both cruising and show appearances. With approximately 3,932 miles reported, the vehicle has seen limited use since completion. Mickey Thompson tires mounted on weld aluminum wheels contribute to both performance and appearance. Additional features include a stereo system with CD player and distinctive amber ground effect lighting. Functional headlights, turn signals, and brake lights add practicality to the package. Built to attract attention and deliver excitement, this 1931 Ford Coupe Hot Rod offers the perfect combination of classic design, supercharged power, and show-quality presence for serious enthusiasts. 12. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $14,000, located in Conway, Arkansas. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a classic hot rod that captures the simplicity and excitement that have made T-Buckets popular for generations. Built around one of the most recognizable hot rod designs ever created, this custom roadster delivers lightweight performance, traditional styling, and an engaging driving experience that appeals to enthusiasts of all ages. Power is provided by a Chevrolet small-block V8 engine equipped with a performance camshaft, giving the car a strong and responsive character. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a proven combination known for reliability and ease of operation. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives well, making it suitable for immediate enjoyment. Finished in black, the T-Bucket maintains the clean and aggressive appearance expected from a traditional street rod. Its compact dimensions and open-air design create an authentic hot rod experience that modern vehicles simply cannot duplicate. Whether used for weekend cruises, local car shows, or adding variety to an existing collection, this 1923 Ford T-Bucket offers classic American hot rod charm at an approachable price. It is a fun and timeless custom vehicle built to be enjoyed.